Also in our line is the LanternFish 55-watt fluorescent. It's one of our premier products. It provides 55 watts of light, or the equivalent of a 175-watt incandescent bulb, in just 25.5 inches of length. The diameter is only 2.5 inches. This is the brightest machine tool light in the smallest footprint in North America. It has a super acrylic lens, virtually unbreakable, although it may be fitted with Lexan or Pyrex glass if the customer needs. The external ballast can be supplied switchable from 120 to 240 volts. It is available with or without an on-off switch. It has oil-resistant grounded cording and comes with mounting hardware for mechanical mounting, or can be mounted with optional magnets. This fixture without a switch has been mounted submerged in EDM tanks. It functions well for setups, process observation, or lighting for machine display on OEM showrooms.